Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make Zoom meeting link with your mobile phone. So here now you can start a new meeting. You can start or join a meeting on your Zoom workplace. In order to share your link, so you can try to tap on participants. Now you can tap on invite. Here we go. You can directly invite to messages or SMS, WhatsApp, Google Mail, invite Zoom contacts, or invite common area, or just copy invite link. So now the invite link is copied, and this is, for example, this is the link. So now all the participant, all the friends or college that you want to join the meeting, you can click on you can instruct them to click on this link. So let's try again. You can start a new meeting or join a meeting, and then you can tap on participants. You can tap on invite, and here we go. This is the invite options. You can directly send the link to the messages or WhatsApp contact, Google Mail, or Gmail, invite Zoom contacts, invite common area, or just simply copy invite link and share it into another apps. So here we can Zoom, and I want to tell you that you need to keep update your Zoom. So you can access a Play Store or App Store and try to search a Zoom Workplace and try to update it, because if you keep up to date, the Zoom will resolve issues like minor bug fixes, and maybe there are some new feature that you can try after the updates. Feel free to try to make a Zoom meeting link in your mobile device. Share your Zoom meeting link to your friend. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and circle the text button below. See you in the next video.